Hey there, this is Erica from Highland Hickory Designs, and today I'm here to show you how to crochet the stitches needed for the French Lilacs Baby Blanket. For this pattern, I used a really detailed, lacy, pretty design for the center, and then on the edges I used a variegated yarn and a more simple pattern to make it solid, just to give it some visual interest, and it has turned out gorgeous. I absolutely love this. The yarn I used is perfect for it. It's so soft and squishy. I just want to squeeze it. But it's absolutely gorgeous. And you can make this blanket in any size you want, as long as you start out with a starting chain of 8 plus 3. And for this blanket, I used Baby Bee Sweet Delight in Plum Pudding. And it is a size 3 lightweight yarn. And I also used an H 5mm crochet hook. But you could use any yarn that you wish for your baby blanket. Or you could even make this into a full-size blanket. It's completely up to you. So if you need instructions on how to speed up or slow down my videos if I'm going too fast or too slow for you, the instructions will be in the description box below. Also, the link to this free pattern will be in the description box below, along with the timestamp, so you can jump to any row that you need without having to sift through the entire video searching for a row. And I believe that is it. I will insert more pictures at the end of the video so that you can get a visual of the entire thing and not just as much as you can see in this tiny screen. So let's go ahead and get started with the tutorial. Alright, so like I said before, you need a multiple of 8 chains plus 3. So we're going to start out with a multiple of 8 for 24 plus 3 for 27. For row 1, you're going to single crochet in the second chain from the hook, and then single crochet in the next 3 chains. Chain 3, skip 2 chains, and then single crochet in the next 6 chains. One, two, three, four, five, six. All right. And we'll repeat that across. Chain 3, skip 2 chains, single crochet in the next 6 chains, chain 3, skip 2 chains, and since we're at the end of the row, you're going to single crochet in the last 4 chains. So for row 1, you'll have 4 chains on either end, this end and this end, and in between your chain 3s, you're going to have 6 single crochets. For row 2, chain 2, turn your work, and now we're going to work 10 double crochets in this chain 3 space. Now you'll skip all 6 of these stitches and just work another 10 double crochets in the chain 3 space, and you'll continue that the whole way down. Skip 6 stitches, 10 more double crochets, Alright, and for your last stitch, a half double crochet in the last stitch. That is row 2. Row 3, you'll chain 5, and that counts as a double crochet and a chain 2. Now you're going to skip these 3 stitches and work a single crochet in the next 4 stitches. So 1, 2, 3. Now we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 single crochets across the top, chain 2, skip 3 stitches, and now we're going to work into this space right here in between these 2 half shells, and we're just going to put in a double crochet. Chain 2, skip these 3 stitches and work a single crochet in the next 4 stitches. And we'll repeat that across. Chain 2. We're going to skip these stitches, double crochet in this space right here. Chain 2, skip these 3 stitches, 1 single crochet in the next 4 stitches. And when you get to the end of the row, chain 2, and just work a double crochet in the top of this chain 2 right here. That's row 3. This is the back. This is the front. For row 4, chain 3, turn your work, and you're going to single crochet in this chain 2 space. That'll give you a loop right there. Single crochet in the next 4 stitches, and then 1 more single crochet in the chain 2 space. So you'll have a chain 3 and then 6 single crochets across. So we'll chain 3 again, skip this stitch, single crochet in the chain 2 space, single crochet in the next 4 stitches, and 1 more single crochet in the chain 2 space to give us 6 across, chain 3, skip this stitch, single crochet in the chain 2 space, single crochet in all 4 of these stitches, and when you get to the end of the row, you'll single crochet in this chain 5 space, chain 1, and then your last stitch will be a half double crochet in the 3rd chain of the chain 5. That's row 4. Row 5, you'll chain 3, turn your work. This counts as a double crochet. So in this chain 1 space, we're going to work 5 double crochets. Skip these 6 stitches and work 10 double crochets in this chain 3 space. Skip these 6 stitches, another 10 double crochets in the chain 3 space. And you would repeat that across 10 double crochets in every chain 3 space. When you get to the end, you'll skip the last 6 stitches, and in this chain 3 space at the end, you're going to work 6 double crochets. So on either end, it'll be 6 double crochets, and the center, it will be 10. Chain 1, turn your work, single crochet in this first stitch, and single crochet in the next 2 stitches. So you'll have 3 to start. Chain 2, skip 3 stitches, and we're going to double crochet in this space again. Chain 2, skip 3 stitches, 4 single crochets across the top of this fan, chain 2, double crochet in this space between the stitches, chain 2, skip 3 stitches, 4 single crochets across the top, chain 2, double crochet in the next space, chain 2, and when you get to the end of the row, you skip 3 stitches and single crochet in the last 3 stitches, and in the top of this chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1, turn your work, single crochet in the next 3 stitches, single crochet in the chain 2 space, chain 3, skip this stitch, single crochet in the chain 2 space, single crochet in the next 4 stitches, single crochet in the chain 2 space. So now we have 4 on the end, chain 3 space, 6 across the top here, and we'll repeat that across, chain 3, skip this stitch, single crochet in the chain 2 space, single crochet in the next 4 stitches, single crochet in the chain 2 space, chain 3, skip the stitch, single crochet in the chain 2 space, and when you get to the end, just 3 more single crochets. So 4 on either end, 6 in the centers. And you, for the pattern, you would just continue to repeat rows 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 for however many rows you'd like to make. And as promised, I'm going to insert those pictures at the end of this video so that you can see the full baby blanket. I hope you enjoyed this stitch tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. It really helps my channel and I really appreciate it. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.